How to use Autofill Chrome extension. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily use a Autofill Chrome extension on Google Chrome. So first thing what you want to do is just head over to your Google Chrome and just search in for Chrome Web Store and just head over to extension from over here and just search in for the extension that you want, that is Autofill. So I'll just tap in for the autofill option from over here and just click on the first link and just click on add to Chrome and just head over to add extension button and wait for some time until it gets added to your Chrome successfully. So once you get access to your Google Chrome, what you can do is just head over to any of the form filling sites. Let's say I want to sign up with Facebook. So before we sign up for our Facebook, first thing what you can do is just make sure you have pinned this extension on your extension bar by simply heading over to this puzzle icon over here and just click on this button over here, which will pin your autofill extension right over here. So let me just unpin it for the moment from over here and just click on this three dot icon over here and just click on manage extension and make sure you have enabled this on and you have clicked on this selected on all sites option. So once you do that, just close this window and come over here and make sure you fill out all of your details. So let me just quickly fill that up. So once you fill up your details over here, just now click on this extension over here and on the profile you can search in anything like all or something over this, so you can just leave it as well and just click on the generate rules over here and just click on this sample address and click on new. So let's name it Facebook over here, just click on OK and click on generate autofill rules and it's done. So whenever you try to access the Facebook next time, what you can do is, as you can see, when I try to click on create a new account, as you can see, it automatically just adds all of my detail over here just like this. So that is exactly how you can easily use your autofill extension on your Google Chrome. So I hope this video was helpful. So that is exactly how you can use your autofill extension. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.